Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by securing data and getting the machine ready. Backup drive and any local files to an external disk or another cloud account. This prevents data loss. Once done, make sure the charger is connected and battery above half so the process won't interrupt. Next, power off and enter recovery. Press ESC plus refresh and hold power until recovery screen appears. You need a stable Wi-Fi or USB recovery stick ready. This is the only way to reformat safely. You now make and apply the recovery media. On a second computer, install the Chromebook recovery utility, choose your exact Lenovo model or paste the recovery ID, and create the USB/SD image. Verify the media completes writing. Once done, insert it into the Chromebook and reboot to recovery. Follow the prompts to reinstall Chrome OS. This erases local storage and reinstalls a clean system. Make sure to confirm power wash when presented so user data. You finish by completing setup and checking the device. Sign in with your Google account and let Sync restore extensions and settings. Reinstall any apps from the Play Store if needed. Test keyboard, touchpad, camera, and Wi-Fi to confirm a successful reinstall. If the process fails, recreate the recovery media, try another USB port or different USB stick, and power cycle the Chromebook. If problems persist, boot recovery and note the error code for targeted fixes. This is the reliable only way.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.